All right, it's starting live right now.
Okay.
So sorry about the previous video. We actually just got disconnected. There's about 40-something people on before. So we're just going to redo this real quick. We're going to wait about 10 more seconds or so until this comes back on. Yep. So sorry about that.
Welcome to the world of filming, son.
Yep.
It just happens. Sometimes
All right.
you got to have a take one.
Hey, Corey and everybody. Again, I just want to let you guys know that we're just having to reshoot some of this video because it actually cut off on us.
No problem.
So I'm just letting you guys know. But we're going to let Rob and Nick handle this right now.
Okay.
So you want to just go ahead and tell, just a little bit about, real quick, just about Orbot real fast?
Absolutely. One thing I'm going to say about Orbot, we carry their machines because we feel like they carry the absolute best in orbital machines. There's no doubt about it. The fit and finish is unmatched in the industry.
Exactly.
I really love how y'all build. Plus, they're built in America.
Right, and we offer a whole method, so we don't just offer a piece of machinery, not just a machine, we offer a whole method, a whole program for every floor type. So you don't just buy a piece of equipment, you buy a whole new program for cleaning, whether it's carpet, tile and grout, stone care, chemical-free stripping, wood, VCT, et cetera, et cetera.
Wow, and is that encompassing these little machines?
When will they be available for purchase?
These machines now will be available. There's about a 4 to 6 week lead time for deliveries right now, because we're just launching in the US. Demand is huge. And yeah, all the machines are built here in the States in our factory in San Diego. Everything's built under one roof. And yeah, we'll go over some of the features.
And it's also about the size of a Pro Chem wand.
Yeah, and hey, Stacy, you know what? I actually have it. I actually have it in the store right now for an expo special. So just in case if you did want to get it today, I can still give you the show special, Stacy. So just reach out for me direct, and we'll be able to take care of you.
And let's break it down in the meantime.
Yeah, let's go and do it.
It's got an 11-inch driver on it, and starting from the top, you'll notice. The most obvious thing, the tank. The tank is a quick disconnect, has a 1 gallon capacity. Down the bottom, there's a fitting. It's a quick disconnect fitting. You just depress this tab, lower the hose out, the tank pops off. When you want to fill the tank, you just put it under a sink. Notice the angle of the fill cap allows you to fill it up under a sink horizontally. It's not going to spill out.
No funnels, nothing like that.
Yeah, no spill, no mess. And then when you're ready to put it back on, you simply just find your guides in the bottom, snap it on.
Nice.
This little quick connect just goes right up inside. Quick disconnect tab, ready to rock.
Okay, and the advantage of having for a machine like this having a tank.
Yeah, so it allows you to spray. So there's a pump located here on the back of the machine underneath this cover. Cool. You have your solution line coming down. It's clear, so you can see if there's any contaminants, anything blocking the line. That goes to this jet here, which is also a quick disconnect. So if you have air bubbles in there or maybe something's blocking the passageway, you just depress this fitting. This comes out, so you can clean out the line if you had to.
Oh, it makes it stupid simple, easy.
This thing is solid built too, but it's not that heavy.
Yeah,
How heavy is it?
It's 35 pounds, and the whole machine is constructed out of aluminum. We use we use aircraft grade 6061 aluminum. Everything is hand TIG welded in our factory in San Diego. And this spray nozzle in front puts out a nice mist, which I'll show you in a second. But kind of going from the top of the machine, here on the top here, handles, your on-off switch is right here. So when I switch this on, notice the machine's not going on.
It's not spinning around.
It's not spinning around. The reason that is because we have a safety feature on the machine that only engages power when you lower the handle. So when I lower the handle, I pull out this pin here on the side, lower the handle, there's a 2-second delay, now the machine's on, ready to go. So basically, when you put it up, it goes off, bring it back down, it goes on.
See, that's a really cool safety feature.
And there's a switch here at the top of the machine too for the spray.
Check this out, I like the lights.
So just like the Vibe you guys are used to, the Vibe, the spray board, same kind of system. We have a spray up front, the pad goes over, it comes straight back. Just like your vacuum and carpet. So straight forward, straight back. And what we're doing here is we're doing some carpet, some roll carpet, I think in this casino here. And yeah, the pad we're using is a Super Zor pad, just obviously a smaller size. It's a 12-inch pad.
Indicator lights.
Yeah, indicator lights on top. Okay. To get back to that,
cool.
these are the pads we have. Got some soil on there you guys can see.
Right on through.
You guys notice some stripes on the...
Yeah, tell us about the stripes.
Yeah, so the stripes on this pad just allow the pad to glide a little bit better. Since this machine is battery powered, lithium battery powered, we have to do everything we can to make sure you have not just performance, we have a good runtime. So in order to have a good runtime, we had to specially engineer every pad to make it run flawlessly with the machine, vibration, runtime, soil extraction. These pads are made out of the same blend of material that the larger 21-inch pads are made out of, the Super Zors. Here's a clean one you guys can see.
And hey, real quick, Brandon or Stacy or Tom, any of you guys, can you guys just share this inside the Facebook group, the TMF Facebook group? Because we're actually sharing live on the fan page at the moment. So if anybody could do that, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we did a couple passes with that. But anyways, these pads, yeah, you wash these pads, you throw them in your laundry. You can wash them up to 100 times.
100 times,
Up to
okay.
100 times, keep using them. And yeah, not to be confused with a microfiber, this is a soil extraction pad.
Soil extraction pads,
Special
okay.
blend of polyester, not split polyester like microfiber, but just polyester and cotton.
Okay, so it's a
there's
blend.
Yeah, there's a blend. There's a lot of absorption power with the pads. They don't just push dirt around, they extract soil. We don't refer to these as bonnets. We refer to them as soil extraction pads.
Soil extraction pads,
Yep.
okay.
So, yeah, these pads, they do great on carpet, but carpet's just one of the things this machine does. We have accessories and programs for tile and grout scrubbing, for chemical-free stripping.
Oh yeah, tell us about that. Can they do that with this?
Yeah, so this machine, we have some accessories over here. I'll show you.
Okay.
You know, we have obviously the Super Zorb I just showed you. We have microfibers. If you wanted microfibers, if customers are used to that, you can offer this. Then we have a tile and grout brush here that we use for any kind of tile and grout
Can they be
application.
used for carpet pre-agitation?
Yeah, so we have another brush that looks like this.
Oh, okay.
It's for pre-agitation on carpet.
Okay, cool.
We're going to have it in front of us, but it looks similar to this, same size, just different
Cool.
bristles on the inside.
Wow.
And this does a great job on tile and grout. Given the size of the machine, it's really easy to get around small, hard-to-reach areas, around toilets, underneath bathroom stalls. You know, if you're in a church, for example, in between the pews, I mean, it's any small, hard-to-reach spot.
Airplanes.
Airplanes, yeah, transportation industry is huge
Transportation
for us.
vehicles, yeah, man.
For contractors out there, some of you guys that are, you know, cleaning trains or buses or airplanes, we have a lot
That's
of
really
machines
cool.
on the international side that
But
we
you
sold.
would be surprised how many people are using the little Orbit machines.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is basically a commercial version that's obviously much more durable. It's hand built. It's made out of the best aluminum components you can get. It's battery powered. I think that's one of the biggest takeaways
That is
here.
huge, yeah.
Battery powered, has a solution tank, spray system. I'll show you guys the
Now,
battery.
so-
in the back.
Indicator
Now
lights
some
work?
yeah. So well, first, like some people were asking, like,
Sure.
well, like, can they still plug it in? You know, what I mean, would they still be able to plug it in and use it and
so
charge it
let me
up,
explain
or?
that to you guys. So in the back, there's
Okay.
a battery, right? This battery is a quick disconnect battery. Got an Orbot brand on there. It's 6-amp battery. Gives you a 45-minute runtime, 90-minute charge. We are coming out with a new innovation in about 3 to 4 months. It's going to be a DC converter, so you'll be able to actually use this machine, and it's going to have a plug with a cord coming out of a battery going to a wall.
Oh, sweet.
Kind
That's
of
gonna allow you-
like the Life Machine a little bit,
Correct.
or?
Same hybrid feature that
Okay.
the Life machine has.
Yeah, see, that's pretty awesome.
Right now you have batteries, and you know, these truck mount, they offer a couple packages where you buy one machine, comes with 2 batteries.
Okay.
Then you just swap batteries. We're always using the machine.
Right. So that's why people should buy the extra battery pack.
Yeah.
So you always get an
Highly
extra battery
recommend
just in
it. Highly
case.
recommend it.
At
Yeah.
least, at least look into the packages. Look
Yeah,
at the bill.
exactly.
Yep.
Under this cover, you guys have the pump. It's located inside here, and there's actually a
And it seems really easy to get to access everything if you need to repair anything.
It is,
but-
yeah. There's this cover comes off. One unique feature about the pump is it has a circuit board that controls the flow. So if this tank does run empty, you don't want to run this pump dry because it'll cause damage. But there's a circuit board inside here with a management system that detects when there's no solution, so it shuts it off.
Mhm.
Oh,
It's a
sweet.
fail-safe feature, so it protects the machine, protects the pump.
Sweet.
That's cool.
Wow.
And then you were mentioning the indicator lights on
Yes,
top.
yeah.
So just to show you guys, I'll turn this machine on here on the top.
Okay.
Lower it. Now it goes on.
Yeah.
Machine's on. You have 3 battery indication lights. Those are for your battery.
Oh, okay.
It tells you how much juice you have. 1 out of 3.
Okay.
Green light means everything's working the way it should.
Green go.
Green means go.
Okay.
There is a red light that will go on, and that is when you pull too many amps. See that
Oh,
red
wow,
light?
yeah. Oh, that's cool.
So when that red light comes on, that means something's wrong. You're either using the wrong pad, you're not using enough water, maybe you're
Okay.
using the wrong accessory. That is
So
on
that's a
there
good
because
safety feature.
It is a safety feature. So the red light goes on, and if you continue to run the machine when that red light is on, it'll shut down the machine
Okay.
to prevent any damage from happening for the brushes and the motor.
Okay.
Can
So
you explain the wheels in the back?
yeah, so the wheels in the back, guys, you'll notice the wheels.
One other person's asking, what is
Sure.
the run time on it? What's the charge?
45-minute runtime, 90-minute charge.
You get that, Brandon?
Yeah, he
Cool.
mentioned that a little bit earlier there.
All right.
So guys, here we call this the wheel kit. So for example, when you're running the machine, you don't have to hold the handle up. This supports the machine, so you don't have to hold it up when you're using it. However, if you have a really small, hard-to-reach area, not a lot of clearance, maybe under a desk or maybe under a small chair,
Or a pew.
okay, yeah, whatever it is,
Right,
you
right.
put the machine back up here, pull this knob out, you flip that wheel kit up,
Ha.
lower this, and now you guys can get as low as you want to go. Pull that back up. You guys can get really low.
Yeah, that's cool. That's kind of like the The swivel wands almost.
Yeah. So again,
so you guys
for,
get underneath anything.
For bathrooms, you guys are doing tile and grout cleaning. You get all the way around that toilet. You get underneath the stall. You can get all those areas that you couldn't before.
You could use this in a whole kitchen, really, honestly.
Yeah.
That's why I got 11 inches.
Exactly.
Yeah, really,
the machine's 35 pounds. I mean, literally, lift it up. It's about 35 pounds. You take off the tank. Take out the battery. Side.
Oh, they stand up. Check that out.
Yeah, they stand up. Take the battery out. Now it's about 25 pounds.
Jeez,
super lightweight.
Is that a carry handle?
Yeah, so there's a couple of options if you want to carry it. You can just grab this handle here. Pick it up. Notice how it's balanced, guys?
Yeah, ergonomic.
Yeah, so you can carry it around. You don't have to worry about holding it 2 hands.
Sweet.
If you wanted to carry it a different way, you could. You could use this. You could put this down and carry it like that.
That's neat.
Yeah.
I recommend using this handle.
I like
it's
that
more ergonomic.
But
yeah, either way, you can carry it upstairs.
is the safety switch on the side?
On the side, that's just a breaker. Just a breaker that, you know, if there was a short in the electrical system or something like that.
I got you. Just safety.
Yeah, it's just a feature that's required in most machines, so we put that on there.
How long will this machine last? Because, you know, no offense to the other brand I mentioned earlier, but you're lucky if you get a year out of it.
Yeah.
I know, yeah. You know, it's crazy. Like, out of all the Orbots that we've sold, I can't name anybody that actually had any issues with their vibes or spray boards or life machines. It's like, you guys are built stupid solid.
Yeah, we took that same build quality. We implemented that into the SliM. So we didn't cut any corners. This machine, again, it's all 6061 aluminum, TIG welded in-house. We don't subcontract anything out. Manufacturing's all done in-house here in the States in San Diego in our factory. And we don't skip on quality. I mean, you guys know that with our product that we've had for years. We have over 25,000 machines at least out in circulation around the world of the larger machines. And yeah.
Cool,
we want a product that's dependable so it doesn't have any downtime because your guys' time is money. So.
Some people said once they get the corded versions, I'm definitely getting one. Yeah, hey Kyle.
Who wants a cord? Come on, guys.
I know.
You can actually put the wheels up and wheel it around too, right?
Yeah.
Right?
So when you're using it, you know, you're using the machine. Like say I'm over here running it, running it.
Right.
Yeah, I want to change the pad. How do I do that? Just put it up, put it back.
Oh yeah, it holds right in place.
See, that's so convenient.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, instead of having to go all the way on the handles
And then when you want to wheel
move
the
it all
machine
around.
around, you're done. You want to go back to the van. You don't want to carry it. You got these wheels in the back. That's what those are for. So what you do is you just flip this up. Now you can just wheel it around.
Yeah.
A little dolly.
Right to another room or something like that. Yeah, I like it. Very well thought out.
Yeah. So again, we have different accessories. It's not just for carpet. It's for tile and grout. Hard floors too. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Ultralift pads. These pads are fantastic. So if you guys know about those magic erasers used on walls for taking black marks off?
Yeah.
Similar kind of material. Ours is a blend of a composite of that type of foam with a different composite. And these things are amazing. They'll take up any kind of soil from a microporous floor. So any kind of stone floor, epoxy. These guys have some content. We'll share some more videos with you guys on these pads.
You know what's
They
getting
do a
popular
great
right
job.
now?
Even wood. This works on wood too.
On wood floors too? You know what else is getting popular too is LVT, luxury vinyl tile, luxury vinyl planks. You know, and a lot of guys don't know how to clean that because it's so new.
Yeah.
Would you use that, or what would you use?
Just a combination of a couple things with LVT, depending on the soil content. You can get away probably using a microfiber.
Okay.
Microfiber pad would work great in LVT.
Throw your product right in there and knock it out.
Or you can use a Superzor pad, and then if the LVT is really bad, there's a lot of soil that's stuck in the pores, that's when you want to pull out this magic eraser. Yeah, the Ultralift. Again, this pad is amazing, guys, not just for this machine, but for our 17-inch Vibe spray working line machine. Those pads are amazing. With my experience, that pad is one pad that works on a floor when you have a problem. Nothing else works.
Well, what I'll do, Nick, later on, is when we get one, is I'll do a complete how-to video on all the different surfaces, the different ways to clean and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Can you think of anything else we missed?
Yeah, so we do have pads, guys.
It looks like it already has the little weight kit already on it too for this.
Yeah, guys. So the weight kits on these machines are implemented into the machine. It's not an add-on feature. It's not an accessory. They're integrated into the machine on it. What we did is we really dialed in the weight of this machine to work on any floor surface without you having to adjust weight. We want to make this machine as simple as possible, as easy to use as possible, less moving parts. And,
user-friendly, you dumbed it down.
Hey man, that's it. You can train
someone it down for us.
You can train someone to use this machine on any floor surface. It shouldn't take more than 5-10 minutes, and then they can get off and start cleaning. So
the wheels, I like they're oversized. They're back. I guess they're non-marking.
Oversized, non-marking, chemical-free. Chemical resistant, non-marking. Wheels, yeah, they got really good bearings in them too, so they're not going to get squeaky over time like some wheels do.
Absolutely.
That's very educational.
On the cap, you see that little white thing in there? That's just a one-way valve, just to release pressure when the water's coming down. Yeah, it's to create a vacuum. Yeah, besides that, it's a great machine. Again, it's battery powered, it's lightweight, easy to use, 80 floor surface, and yeah, it's really one of the best machines in its size. It's commercial. It has that commercial deep cleaning quality that some of the other machines in this 11-inch size don't have. They lack.
Nick, of all the stuff I carry on my truck, I still have, my technicians still carry the little, the other brand.
Right,
you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But they break down all the time, they're junky, the handles break. I'll tell you what, it's going to have a place in my vans.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about it.
Yeah, it's a professional grade product.
Stacy's saying this would work awesome in the RVs and campers we clean up here.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well thought out, well built. I was impressed when I first saw it. I just feel like it's just a smaller version of the other ones, but having the battery packs, that is genius.
That's the way the
Somebody said it looks like Dave Whitting. He's like, it looks like an OP machine on meth. I don't know what meth would look like. Yeah, how about steroids?
It's not squirrely, don't worry.
I love the weight of it, man. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
It's
no,
a
it's
great
great.
job. Well thought out.
Yeah, guys.
I'm trying to think of anything else.
Again, small spaces, guys. Small spaces, hard to reach areas.
Now,
Small
my
cleaning.
technician's going to bring it in and use it all over the place.
Yeah,
try to, yeah.
Use this anywhere, but I could just see if you guys have another piece of equipment in your van, and I don't know if I need another piece of equipment. Well, what happens when you get a call from a customer that has a big office building? Maybe they just have a small stain on one of the floors. Do you really want to take out the big machine? Or you take out this little guy, just pick it up one hand, walk in there, knock it out, and you're done. Carpet's dry in 15 minutes.
You know what we do right now for like every once in a while we do get redims. You know what I mean? It happens. My spot might come back and it's under the carpet. Technician missed it. So what I do is I have them take the little OP machine outside there. I'll have them set up a fan.
And this would be perfect because it already has.
Listen to this.
That's genius.
Okay, let's suppose this is a spot right here. Okay, I'll have them bring the fan in, put it right here, cut the fan on high. I'll have them take the pad and I'll go ahead and have them spray one side when unchained. I'll have them go ahead and clean the spot and then flip it over. Then load everything up. By the time they've loaded up, that air mover's going to dry that whole spot.
Sure.
And what do you get when the spot is dry? You get the final result. So the spot's not going to come back on you again. So there's a little tip, little pro tip. That's what we do in our own company.
Yep.
That's awesome.
So that'd be perfect for this.
And
I don't have to send the guy out with a truck now. I'll keep it in a little tiny van.
Yep.
That's right. Yep.
That's it, man. And then on the back, guys, there's a little QR code here. It says a quick little guide. You guys can scan that with your smartphone. It's going to prompt you to a page. It's going to give you some reminders as far as how to use the machine, how to maintain it, maybe what accessories to use. Yeah, and that'll always be updated. We'll always change that. And yeah, another cool little feature on the machine. And
well thought out.
yeah,
man.
all in all, just guys, remember battery powered. Perfect for hard to reach areas, perfect for everything Rob mentioned, and probably one of the best, newest innovations in the industry. No one else has anything like this.
Nope.
Truck Mount's one of the first in the U.S. to launch it, and yeah, it's available now. It's about a 4 to 6 week lead time, like I mentioned earlier.
One of the absolute, probably the most impressive thing about you guys.
Is it 12 or 13 inch?
11 inch.
It's 11 inch head, Kyle.
Yep.
Right, 11 inch car. One of the most impressive things about you guys is they'll take no shortcuts.
Right.
That's kind of how we are with our company.
Sure.
So if you're a carpet cleaner out there, or you're a restorer of some type, if you want to be like us, you just want to take any shortcuts. And this is the absolute best of everything. Well thought out, the safety features, the weight, the tank, the wheels, the agility of it, the ergonomics of it,
We prize
the
ourselves on quality. Yeah.
materials, everything. I mean, you guys just took no shortcuts on it.
That's it. It's a well-built
Cool.
machine, and
They're going to be in my truck. Can I take this home for free?
of course.
I'm going to hold you to that.
Uh-oh. Yeah, send the invoice.
Slick. Well, I'm going to send you the invoice for video.
Hey, Mark Morris, it's called, this is the name of the machine, Mark.
Orbot SliM, guys.
Orbot
Orbot SliM. And you
Orbot
can get it
SliM.
right now from the Truck Mount Forum store.
Yep.
Kind of like
The
me,
Team
once
F
I
store.
started drinking vinegar and honey, I got slim again. And I did. I went to belly. Orbot SliM. I like it, man. It's good stuff there.
So
I appreciate it.
So is it the Dirt Dragon Slim or just Slim? Sorry, maybe a dumb question, but I may have missed. No, this is the Orbot Slim.
Yes.
ORBOT.
It was just in a picture of when I was showing a picture of what Josu won. I'm Joshua, Josu.
Yeah, that was something completely different.
Totally
Right.
different. That was just a picture.
Totally different company.
I just wanted people to kind of see an idea of what the machine
Sure.
looked like, right? But it's not that.
All right, rock and roll. Anything else?
That's
All
it,
right, guys. Thank you.
All right, take care now.
Have a great day.
See you later.